Buying crypto for the first time doesn't have to feel complicated. If you're in Europe or the US and you're wondering how to get started with crypto, what verification is required, or how the actual purchase works, Paybis offers a straightforward way to go through the process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, from signing up and completing verification to choosing your crypto, reviewing the fees, and completing a purchase. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Meridian. Today I'm taking you through a complete beginner's guide to buying crypto on Paybis in 2026. I'll show you the important steps on screen, including account verification, selecting your currency and cryptocurrency, available payment options, choosing a wallet, and reviewing the transaction before you confirm it. I'll also cover some of the other features Paybis offers, plus a few important security and risk considerations you should know before using any crypto platform. So, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what Paybis actually does. Paybis is a crypto platform that lets users buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional currencies such as EUR, USD, and GBP, depending on their location. The idea is to make the process of moving from traditional money into crypto more straightforward, without requiring you to navigate a complicated trading interface. For example, if you're in Europe and want to use euros to purchase Bitcoin, Paybis can provide a way to do that using an available payment method in your region. However, the cryptocurrencies, payment methods, limits, and services available can vary depending on your country. I've also covered Paybis crypto regulations and the wider European crypto landscape in my other videos, so if you want more background before using the platform, you'll find those videos linked in the description. If you're new to Paybis, start by using the link in my description to visit the platform and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a straightforward dashboard with different options for managing your crypto. Before making your first purchase, you'll generally need to complete the required KYC verification. The process is relatively simple. Start the verification process and select your country of residence. For example, if you're based in the United States, select the appropriate US option and continue. You'll then be asked for some basic information, which can include your tax residence and address details. Depending on your situation, Paybis may also ask you to provide identification documents and complete additional verification steps. Once your verification is completed, you'll be able to continue to the buying process, subject to Paybis' applicable requirements. Now let's move to the actual purchase. From the dashboard, select Buy. You'll see a section showing the currency you're spending and the cryptocurrency you're receiving. If you're in the US, you may use USD, while eligible European users may be able to select EUR or another supported currency. Enter the amount you want to spend and Paybis will display an estimated amount of cryptocurrency you'll receive based on the current quote. For example, I could enter 2,000 EUR and see the corresponding Ethereum amount. You can also change the cryptocurrency if Bitcoin isn't what you're looking for. Before moving forward, pay attention to the exchange rate, fees, and final amount of crypto shown on the screen, and if you're using a promotional code, this is where you may be able to enter it. If you're using my promo code, check the current promotion terms to see whether you're eligible for the applicable fee benefit and how many transactions it covers. Promotions can change, so always verify the terms displayed at the time of purchase. Next, Paybis will show you the payment methods available for your transaction. Depending on your location and currency, you may see options such as credit/debit card, Revolut Pay, Skrill, SEPA bank transfer, or Neteller or other supported methods. The available options aren't necessarily the same for everyone. You may also notice differences in the quoted amount or fees between payment methods, so don't simply select the first option you see. Compare the available choices, check the final amount you'll receive, and choose the method that works best for you. After selecting your payment option, you'll need to choose where your crypto will be sent. Paybis may give you the option to use a Paybis wallet or an external wallet depending on the transaction and account requirements. If you're using an external wallet, enter your wallet address carefully. You may also be able to scan a QR code instead of manually entering the address. This is one of the most important parts of the process because crypto transactions can be difficult or impossible to reverse once they're sent. So double-check the wallet address and network before continuing. Once your wallet information is ready, you'll reach the final payment stage. Here, Paybis will show the payment methods available for your transaction. For example, if you are an EU citizen or currently live in the EU, you can easily open an eligible account and use the available payment methods. Select your preferred option and follow the instructions to complete the payment. Before confirming, carefully review the transaction details. Check the amount you're paying, the cryptocurrency you're receiving, the exchange rate, fees, and wallet information. Paybis also indicates that completed transactions may be non-refundable, so make sure everything is correct before you confirm. Once you're satisfied with the details, complete the payment and wait for the transaction to be processed. This is where Paybis can be useful for someone who's completely new to crypto. You don't necessarily need to understand advanced trading charts, order books, or complicated order types just to make a basic crypto purchase. Instead, the platform guides you through the main steps: choosing your currency, selecting crypto, reviewing the quote, choosing how to pay, and deciding where to receive your crypto. That straightforward process can make the first experience less intimidating for beginners. And buying crypto is only one part of what Paybis offers. You can also sell supported cryptocurrencies and convert them back into traditional currencies where available. There's also a swap feature which allows you to exchange one supported cryptocurrency for another directly through the platform. Paybis also provides a wallet section where you can view supported assets and manage your crypto activity. Then there's the transaction history, which lets you review previous transactions and check information such as amounts and transaction status. You can also check crypto prices and market information, including price movements and other market data for supported assets. And if you want to quickly calculate the value of Bitcoin, Paybis also provides a crypto calculator. So Paybis isn't simply a place to buy crypto. Depending on your location and account, it brings several crypto-related tools together in one platform. When you're dealing with cryptocurrency, security should always be a priority. Use a strong and unique password and enable available security features on your account. Never share your password, verification codes, private keys, or wallet recovery phrase with anyone. Also, watch out for fake websites and people pretending to be Paybis support. If someone contacts you through social media or another channel and asks you to send crypto to unlock your account or release your funds, treat that as a major warning sign. Always access Paybis through its official website or official application. Before buying any cryptocurrency, remember that crypto assets can be high risk and highly volatile. Prices can rise or fall significantly, and you could lose some or all of the money you invest. There can also be risks involving liquidity, cyber attacks, scams, technology failures, and limited investor protection depending on your location and the specific service you're using. So, do your own research, understand the asset you're buying, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice, so that's the complete beginner walkthrough of buying crypto through Paybis in 2026. From creating your account and completing verification, to choosing your crypto, comparing payment options, selecting your wallet, and reviewing the final transaction, the process is designed to be fairly straightforward. If you want to explore Paybis yourself, I've left the link in the description. Just remember to check the current fees, rates, availability, and promotional terms before making a transaction. If this guide helped you understand the process, subscribe to Crypto Meridian for more beginner-friendly crypto guides, platform tutorials, and straightforward explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.